The Ethereum name service is a lookup system that looks to replace the long, difficult-to-remember wallet addresses we all hate. It links information to a name. It's not a naming service just for Ethereum. It's a name service built on Ethereum. It offers a secure and decentralized way to address resources using human-readable names. It's a totally distributed domain name provider that allows anyone to buy and manage domains. To illustrate, instead of a confusing address like this, you can simply use Jane.eth. Jane.eth will be your ENS domain, where you can get all your tokens and NFTs. You can buy and manage your own ENS domains, making blockchain transactions much easier. The domain name system and the Ethereum name service are both protocols that dictate how certain operations, either on Web 2 or Web 3, are resolved. The DNS converts the IP address of the web server into a human-readable string called a URL. The Ethereum name service converts an Ethereum address into a human-readable string formatted like a URL. In this way, they both function similarly to a phone book. You can look up a name in a phone book and get the number that will allow you to reach that person. The ENS is built on Ethereum smart contracts, making it a more secure, private, and resistant to censorship than the internet's domain name service. The team behind ENS see internet naming infrastructure as a fundamental component that therefore should be open, decentralized, community-driven, and not for profit. On a technical level, the ENS can make use of the existing Ethereum ecosystem, meaning it's highly programmable and can interact with other smart contracts outside of naming. You don't have to dial the number each time to call the person, you simply need to search for their name. In the same way, ENS makes blockchain transactions much simpler, with a lower chance of making errors. Once you get your domain, you can link it to your public wallets, websites, smart contracts, or transactions. As an ENS domain owner, you can also create subdomains to link to other data, for example, email.jane.eth or website.jane.eth. The DNS is part of a system of internet protocols that allow Web 2 to work seamlessly. Web 3, a concept describing the new decentralized version of the internet, is still a developing field and has issues that hinder adoption, such as long addresses. Right now, the primary focus of ENS is to give people and applications an easy way to read and share crypto addresses and make Web 3 more digestible. As Web 3 matures, it's likely more protocols will be built around ENS. The ENS, unlike some of its competitors, doesn't want to replace DNS. The ENS focuses first and foremost on providing distributed, trustworthy name resolution for Web3 resources such as blockchain addresses and distributed content. By contrast, projects such as Namecoin, Blockstack, and Handshake are making efforts to replace DNS. To create your own ENS domain, you'll first need a crypto wallet and some Ethereum, then search for a suitable domain on the ENS app. Once you find the name of your liking, simply follow the prompts to complete the purchase. You will also have to pay a yearly fee of $5 per year for names with more than 5 characters. However, due to their scarcity, crypto enthusiasts are hurriedly buying ENS domains. It's also not uncommon for people to flip their domains for hefty sums. For instance, exchange.eth fetched a whopping $609,000. So if you're looking to get your own ENS domain, you might want to hurry. Nick Johnson and Alex Van de Sande of the Ethereum Foundation led the initial development of the ENS. In November 2021, the project airdropped ENS tokens to users of the service and established a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, to manage it. ENS token holders use their assets as company shareholders might. They can make decisions about pricing, protocol changes, and how to manage funds within the treasury. The introduction of ENS tokens had the added benefit of transitioning the project's funding model away from grants. ENS tokens are tradable for US dollars and other cryptocurrencies on crypto exchanges, providing a financial lifeline to the project's developers. To distribute ENS tokens to the community, the developers allocated 25% of the ENS token supply to users who had already signed up for an ENS domain by October 31st, 2021. Token distribution is: community treasury has 50%, airdrop to .eth holders is 25%, 8%, and ENS contributors get 25%. The developers then airdrop these tokens to wallets connected to the ENS domains. Fractions of the ENS token pool were distributed based on how long a given user owned an ENS domain. In practice, this means that many casual users receive tens of thousands of dollars of tokens in the airdrop, while people who have held domains for many years received even more generous allocations. The Ens Governance Token is a token collected on the Ethereum blockchain. They are traded by speculators, as are most crypto tokens, but the token also serves a specific role in the ENS community. ENS community members, as members of the DAO, use their tokens to communicate changes they wish to see in the organization. For instance, later this year, the ENS community will vote on the ENS Constitution, a set of rules and guidelines for how ENS should be governed. Each token can cast one vote. If 67% of votes cast on a particular article of the Constitution are yes votes, then the article passes. If a user wants to submit a proposal to the ENS community, they will need the support of 100,000 tokens for it to go to a vote. ENS brands itself as an open public utility that belongs to the community, and with its decentralized components and community governance, it may grow into a significant backbone of the crypto and Web 3.0 ecosystem. What do you think about ENS? Tell us down in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more about similar breakdowns on crypto gaming, you can watch the two videos that are on your screen. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.